So I saw when I was just in the balcony, I was doing like this and seeing a Rubi tile cutter, and I was like, yeah, that's my man. And then after that, well, after 1 hour, I was listening to some noises, and I was just leaning on the balcony and say the guy was trying to make a hole by making like this with a blade and the back part of the tile. And I was like, oh my god, no. I had a spare, some of these that I've already used for demonstrations, and I went down to my neighbor, neighbor, tell the tiler to go out. I say, here, use this. No, I don't know how to use it. It's easy, just try it. You're going to. He was ruining 3 tiles before getting it right, and even if you get it right, if you make the hole like this with a diamond blade, you're actually getting material out from the tile. And when you just put the flanges or wherever you're going to cover the hole, maybe you will break them and have to break forever there. It's so ugly. And yeah, the guy was taking that. I was saying, use it like this. This is the technique, and hopefully he will be using this in the future, and he will realize that this is also saving time. You do this in 15 seconds instead of half an hour.
All the other drama.
So this is half an hour you're saving, and time is money too. So it will finish the work earlier and have more days to make more projects and earn more money. So that was the thing. That was actually in Barcelona, where it's supposed to be there's supposed to be a big tradition of tilers. So imagine that.
Well, he was a hacker then. He was a hack, you know.